So before you start the conversation, decide on which way you're going to approach the conversation. Approach number 1, approach like a realtor. If you've ever walked through a house with a professional realtor, you'll know they'll give you stats and features about the house. They'll show you around, but at some point they give you space and time to experience the home on your own. And on the off chance that the house is not what you're looking for, they don't take it personally. This method is good for when you're showing off your art, your talent, your creative work, or even your ideas. Be like a realtor. Prepare your art or idea to be shown. Make it look nice. Show them around. Let them know what your art is attempting and what you hope it means. Then take your hands off. Let them examine, think through, and experience what you've shown them on their own. Even if it's hard, busy yourself in some other way and let them look around. A good question to ask here is, do you want a sale from this person? Because if not, all they can do is look. And a sale can mean many things. Do you want them to partner with you on the idea? Do you want them to actually physically buy the piece of art or craft that you're selling? If not, then you have to accept all they're there to do is look. What I mean is, since this person is not going to be someone you sell to, their opinion about it is not so important.